Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing and review on my new RoadHero safety cones. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. This is an 8-pack. These RoadHero traffic cones are a solid choice if you need something reliable and easy to use. The black rubber base is heavy duty so the cones don't tip over or move around easily. Even in windy weather, they'll stay right where you need them. The bright orange have reflective colors that make them super easy to spot day or night. Whether it's on a driveway, a road, or somewhere else, drivers will see them clearly from a distance. The cones are made from a sturdy PVC material which is flexible and built to last. You don't have to worry about them cracking or breaking even with regular use or tough conditions. They're also easy to store and transport. You can stack them up and they'll take up hardly any space in your car or garage. That makes it simple to take them wherever you need. And they're not just for traffic. You can use them for sports training, marking off areas, or guiding people through events. They work indoors and outdoors and are great for a bunch of different uses. At 28 inches tall, these cones are just the right size to get noticed without being too bulky to handle. The height makes them effective for controlling traffic and controlling areas while still being easy to stack and store when you're done. And as you can see, the bright orange color and the reflective colors also make a big difference. Even in low light, they're easy to spot. Drivers or pedestrians will miss them. All in all, these 28-inch tall RoadHero cones have plenty of practical features. They're perfect for a wide range of tasks, whether it's for safety, sports, or events. These cones are a smart investment. So if you guys are looking for some new safety cones, definitely look into these by RoadHero. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.